Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today we will be showing you our adventure in Mount Nemrut and Mardin. This mountain was built by King Antiochus I in 62 BC. He piled a bunch of rocks on top of Mount Nemrut to make the mountain much bigger. A short hike to the top with our friends the truck, but the hike was so exhausting, probably because of the high altitude. We first visited the west side of the mountain. King Antiochus built 9-meter statues of him and different Greek and Persian gods. Now, all that is left here are the heads of the statues. We came here to the top to try to watch the sunset, but it was too cloudy to see anything. We started hiking towards the east entrance, which is obviously on the other side of the mountain. This is the east side of the mountain. It has many sitting statues who are mostly Greek gods. We're all about to get cold, so we slowly started walking down Mount Nemrut. We started to drive to a monastery near the city of Mardin. We bought our tickets here so we can enter the monastery. Once we got our tickets, we started walking towards the monastery. This site was built dedicated to a Mesopotamian sun god. After, the Romans took over and made it a Catholic church. Then, once the Romans abandoned the area, the site transformed into a monastery in 493 AD. Afterwards, the monastery became abandoned again and transformed into an Orthodox church in July of 1165. Did you know that this monastery has 365 rooms? One for each day of the year. It started to get hot, so we headed back. We made it to YOLO and chilled down for a bit. We cooled down and got ready for a long hike behind the monastery. We are hiking towards some really old monastery that is carved into a mountain, overlooking the monastery we just visited. noticed many of these yellow wildflowers on our way up the hike. We were almost to the carved monastery. We rested for a bit with the cool breeze up in the mountain. We climbed some of the old monastery stairs to get to the top. Finally, we made it to the top. We put our backpacks down to enjoy the view. This is truly one of the hidden gems in Turkey. As I said earlier, this hike is located behind the monastery we visited earlier. It is an amazing place. Thank you, the truck, for letting us use your drone. Afterwards, we started to find our way back down to YOLO. Eventually, we realized we were going the wrong way, so we headed back up to find a better path. We eventually found a better path that led us to our vans.
There's a switchback.
Thank you all so much for 4,000 subscribers. In the beginning of the trip, I didn't think we would make it this far. Thank you so much.